Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on updating your online ordering hours. To update your online ordering hours, simply select the ordering hours section to open the pop-up to change your online ordering hours. Select from the from and to time options. If your ordering hours are split across the day in different shifts, you can select the add more timings option to add additional rows of ordering hours. This can be completed as many times as required to ensure your full service is set up. You can delete any additional rows by pressing the X icon. If you wish to remove certain days from your online ordering hours, simply select the relevant checkboxes to ensure that only the applicable days are selected. Use the last order minutes section to specify how many minutes before your online ordering hours close that you wish to continue to accept orders. For example, if you wish to take your last order 15 minutes before closing, you can enter 15 in this box to ensure that no orders are placed after that time. Once all of your settings have been completed, simply click Update to update your online ordering hours. Thanks for watching.